Hello everyone, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make a cardboard Easter bunny using thin cardboard pieces. The first thing that you're going to need is a bunny template, and I already traced my bunny on a piece of Cheez-It box. And you're going to need in total 10 pieces. So this is the first piece. So right here, I have 9 pieces of cardboard. So I have in here one piece of the Cheez-It box. And here I have from ice cream, and then I have from cereal boxes. So I'm going to use all these pieces to make a cardboard Easter bunny. I'm going to start using the one from the Cheez-It box. Before I start gluing the bunny, I'm going to let you guys know what you're gonna need. You're going to need a paintbrush and something to put your paintbrush on. You're gonna need glue, and this is Tacky Glue by Aleen's. So it's this one right here. You're going to need scissors, and then you're going to need a cloth, and you're going to need a nail file, and you're going to need a mask. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is applying the glue on this side of the bunny. And then I'm going to glue on this side of this cardboard piece. Turn to this other side and go all around the bunny. I have to scrape these parts over here with the X-Acto knife, and then I'm going to use a nail file too. And this is the part that you're going to use a mask every time that you're going to use the X-Acto knife and the nail file. And the cardboard bunny, it's all done. And around the edges, you gotta make sure that you sand it with the nail file all the way through like this. And then just clean up the edges and then wipe it down with a dry cloth. And when you're done, put the cardboard bunny on top of a flat surface on a wood table, and then you added heavy books over the top of the bunny and leave it there for more than 24 hours. I'm going to put this cardboard bunny on another table, and then I'll bring the other one that is done to show to you guys. Here is the other cardboard bunny. So this cardboard bunny is ready. So we're going to decorate on my next video. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!